We bought 5 acres in Kentucky to start a new type of farm, where it doesn't rely on one type of production, but 3. 3 pillars that work together. They will make the foundation of this farm. Mini cattle, apples, and honeybees. If you space the apple trees twice as wide as a standard orchard, that makes sure the pasture stays green and sunny and not make a closed canopy. This is called alley cropping. When you graze cattle, not in an empty field, but instead with mixed trees spaced throughout, they supply partial shade and forage. This is called silvopasture. There's about 2 decades of video here on YouTube of me harvesting, designing, planting permaculture food forests.
Come down. It's a run. Get your lightsaber.
Stacking and layering, raising mini cows, seeing what works and what doesn't. Now it's time to make some profit. .5 acres of Kentucky farmland. Mature pastures of fescue with a windy creek and a little bit of hardwood forest. The plan? Rows of apples spaced 40 feet apart. Miniature Angus grazing in between, and honeybees on the east side of the creek for that early morning sun. A stacked livestock orchard. Now the spaced out apple trees, they actually make partial shade and actually give some nice sweet apples for the cows, and pollen and nectar for the bees. The bees, they pollinate the apples, and the cows maintain the grass and fertilize the trees. So the property markers up here, they show where the property starts, but this is where the rows of the trees are going to start. It'll be 40 feet apart. And then they're going to start up here, and they're going to work their way down all the way to where it's not mowed anymore. You can see where the grass is tall, that's the neighbor. So we got all of this right here and on the other side of the creek. Let's eat some wild onion. The 3 pillars. Having 3 different harvests, it protects against unstable markets, demand, weather, It makes it less affected by the unexpected. A fortress farm. Able to profit regardless of what's thrown at it.
So there's a creek right here that runs all the way down the length of the property. And that's perfect for the cows. Cows will always have something to drink. It dries out a little bit in the summertime, but there's a few pockets that still stays wet. It's not just a seasonal creek. This actually stays wet year round.
AI is supposedly coming to take everyone's jobs. I'm buying honeybees. It's silvopasture. It's alley cropping. It's regenerative. And it's a lot of work. But we're doing it from the ground up.